Hi there, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a balloon flower art hat for a little kids party, for fun, whatever you want to use it for. So let's do it. Here's what you're going to need to create this fabulous balloon hat. 2 balloons, colors of your choice, does not matter, and 1 balloon pump. Go ahead, put this on your balloon pump, and start blowing it up. Make sure you always leave a little gap at the end of unfilled balloon so that when you tie it off and you're twisting it, your balloon is more malleable and less likely to pop. So go ahead and tie that off. Awesome. So you should have something right now that looks like this. So we're just going to squish that balloon. We're going to move that air around. Do not worry. These balloons are meant to be twisted around. It may pop. That's part of balloon art, but usually they don't. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take some pretty big sized rods, because when they fold over, this is gonna be your flower petal. So you're gonna piece one together, another one, and another one. So you should have about 3 ties. It should look something like this, like an M. You're gonna twist it, put your finger, hold it all in place like this, and you're just gonna twist it. Again, this is the scariest part, but I promise you, nothing bad's gonna happen. So, right now from our twist, we have this many petals, okay? This one you can leave, because it's kind of short, and if you try to bend it over, it's gonna pop. But this guy, we have this little thing at the end. We're gonna use it, we're gonna pull it down, and we're just gonna twist that balloon stem all the way around our balloon, okay? So then we have a 4th petal. So now we're just going to arrange our balloon to how we like it, okay? So usually you'll arrange it to look something like this. All right, so here is our flower. So you'll set this aside. Do the same thing that we did with our last balloon. Stretch it out. Pro tip, if you're trying to get your balloon to blow up and you're having a really hard time doing it, start with your balloon pump open, put your balloon on it, and then pump down rather than pulling up. It might make it easier to tie. So again, same thing with this one. You can use a little less space at the end, but I'll show you. So go ahead and tie this off like this. Should look something like this. Smaller than the last one because it's going to be less of a twist on this guy. But what we're going to do is you're going to first measure your head or the child's head. My head's about this big. So what we're going to do is take this tie, so the tie of the balloon that we used to hold all the air in, hold it over, and using it just like this, you're just gonna start wrapping it around that balloon, okay? Should have something that looks like this. All right, now go ahead and push the end of that air to the tip of your balloon. Try your best. This usually gets flimsy or flexible. And we're going to take this, and we're going to put it in the center. How we're gonna do that is we're just gonna fold it, pull it into the center, just like that. Beautiful. And then, to get it, you could either leave it like this and fold it over and you have a tall hat. And balloons are flexible, so you can literally just, and now your balloon leans to the side, but it kind of falls. All right, we don't want that. So what we're gonna do is we're going to move it to the other side. So we're gonna take this, and we're just gonna fold it over. It's going to take the balloon, press it into our area, and take our whole flower and kind of thread it through that balloon. Twist that whole thing around to secure it in place. It's gonna be kind of complicated with all the flower petals, but even just one twist there is enough to hold it in place. So then we're gonna do what we always do, which is rearrange our flower petals. Once we've rearranged our flower petals, all we can do now is just stick that right on and you've got yourself a balloon flower hat. Thanks for watching.